Hello friends, how are you? In today's video, I will tell you about the maps of North America and South America. I will tell you about their geography. I will tell you about the major lakes, islands, and the countries. And I will tell you how to remember with various tricks the names of different countries and their location. So let's start. I start from North America. North America, actually, I start from drawing just below the Victoria Island. So there are some ups, downs according to the map, and you go this way. Here you go, Alaska State starts, and here just like you have to form three sharp edges like this, and after that you have to go downward, and from here there is a slight groove inside and you go outside there and right. This is just like sharp groove. So from here you have to go further downward this way. Okay, so now after this you have to focus on this area. What to do of this? From here you have to form a major C-like shape from here, which is further diverted inwards, and then you get out of this way, and from here you form a little triangle, this little triangle. Okay, and here the boundaries of USA starts. So here comes a corner after a slight curve, and from there you have to make a abrupt curve to go downwards, and from there you make some part of Florida, and after that you go somewhat straightward, and from there you again make a C shape, which is Gulf of Mexico, this way. Okay, after that you are going straight down and right to make the Panama. So from where we left, here we left, from here we will make the current state Mexico this way, and we will almost follow the curves. These. Okay, so dear friends, this is our part of North America. There are some islands which are Cuba, Haiti, here some two countries, Dominican Republic, etc. So here near Panama, we are going to make the part of South America. I will stretch the screen upward so that you can clearly see what's going on next. Okay, so in order to draw South America, you have to keep in mind a shape of a triangle and a little peak, which you will start here, and you will go this way, and from there you will again make another peak, just like this is triangle, this is triangle. So just keep in mind these two peaks of triangular shape. from here you are making it abruptly very close to this point to make the state of Chile, and from there there is an outward projection in Chile, and you again go this way. Okay, so you have to now focus on this thing, and from here you are this way, you are coming down this way, and you make this thing. Okay, so this is North America. This is South America. If I draw the margins of the countries, uh, then first I will tell you that here this is Canada. There are 4 lakes here, which you must be well aware. These lakes, I tell you the name of these lakes. Lake Superior, this is Michigan Lake, this is Huron Lake. There are some four lakes. I have told you the name of 3. Uh, Here, if I draw the margins, this is USA, this is Canada. If I stress it downwards, there are some islands which are located here, just like here there is this type of island which is called as Baffin Island. Baffin, and here there is a Victoria Island which is located here. It is called Victoria Island. There are some other pieces of islands here, big pieces. These are actually called as Queen Elizabeth Islands. Queen Elizabeth Islands. So dear friends, this is Gulf of Mexico. The largest gulf and a very busy gulf in terms of sea trades and sea routes. Here there is California, and there forms a gulf which is called a Gulf of California. There you have to make a tail-like structure here if you want to show the Gulf of California. And if you see on the map, there is a big piece of island here, this structure. Actually this is Greenland. This is Greenland. Okay, so this was all about our North America. These are some central regions where some countries like Cuba, like Haiti, like Dominican Republic, Jamaica, these states are situated. This is Panama. This is Mexico. There are some other hair states which are not important to mention. So let us come towards the South America. Remember, dear friends, for the South America you have to follow a simple rule. This simple rule, I tell you here about that simple rule. Please consider. You have to first write here very strong, good and famous. Good and famous. Very strong, good and famous. So, very strong, good and famous means what? It means very V for Venezuela. Okay, hope you understand. And there are some other states, and like the G for Guyana, and F for French Guyana. And S for Australian. So, if I draw here, you guys will see that the Venezuela state, which is located here in this way, and other three states, these are here: Guyana, French Guyana, Australia. So I shall write the names here. Okay, very strong, good and famous, these four countries. And after that, after that you have to remember a good name which is called as CPEC. Actually, CPEC is in our Pakistani or Chinese dictionary. It is called as China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. This is a very easy and hottest topic of the era, so we remember it very easily. CPEC. You just remember that here is a country which is Colombia. This is Colombia. Colombia, C, first C of CPEC. Okay, first C we have used here as Colombia. Then we come to the next country, which is Peru. And after that, third country is Ecuador. After that, the country runs along the margin of the Southern American island, and it touches the boundary of Argentina just here. Country is called as Chile. Okay, guys, this is Ecuador and this is Peru. So CPEC, and after that, you of this side is empty. There are some countries which are located here. Which are these countries? I will tell you. And you have to remember a short nickname, UB Pub, to remember these countries. UB Pub. What stands for UB Pub? I tell you. Actually, A is for Argentina, B is for Brazil. So the biggest country in South American is actually the Brazil, which I will draw from here. It goes till here. This is Brazil. Okay. After that, there is a small country here which is called as Bolivia. And again, there is a country which is called as Paraguay. And here there is a Uruguay country. Uruguay. So these are all the countries in South America. And I hope everyone has understood very well. Uh, Today lecture was all about the geography, countries, drawing the maps of different countries in North American and South American region, different islands, different lakes. Uh, in next lecture, I will tell you about the geography of USA. So please subscribe my channel. You all have to subscribe my channel. You know the tricks are actually very expensive. No one tell you the trick, and I am telling you these tricks for free. So please hurry up, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. If you click on bell icon, you will receive all the notifications on time. So take care, have a good time.